Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we have discussed about how to create the boxes. Or you can see here over here. Okay. Now, in this class, let me implement the props. Okay, that is very must how to implement the props. Okay. So first, I'm going to style it. So here the app content is app.js. This is a main container of the React app.js. This is the main container. This is the main component. Sorry, this is the main component. Okay, inside the component we are calling these all the components. Which components? The box components. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go to style it class name. In Bootstrap we have called as class only. In React we have to call it as name, class name. These are we have attached style. So here we have tried to have to make it as app container. App container. Okay, this app container style I'm going to write on over here dot app container dot you write app container open and close bracket. Here you have to write it the background color red. Display you have to make it as flags. Okay, if you make default flags, it is defaultly save. You have to save it. Nothing will happen. What's okay. Problem is here I haven't attach the css style. That's why it nothing happen. Okay, you have to call the css style. So okay, where your css style css reside. So to import, you have to write import. You have to inside the double quotation mark dot, you have to write app dot css. That's it. Control S to save, bring back to the application. Okay, why it's not happen? App dot css. Sorry, app content. App content you have to write here. I have called as different name. That's why. Right. Now let's check it. Here it's coming as a row. It's a column. It's a row. Sorry, it's a row. Okay, default the flex box is a row. Okay, you have to adjust style flex. Okay, now what you're going to do is I'm going to do the thing is I'm going to make it as a props. I'm working as a prop. So how to make the props? We have to first I'm going to go to my apps.jsx. Here I'm going to it as a props. We have to make it as title equal box1 one title. Color we just make it as color black blue. Just you have the text. You write the text. The same text and just copy it, paste it over here. This is the box 2. Color is red. Same thing, just copy it, paste it over here. Box 3. Color is black. Same thing, copy, paste it below. Color is white. That's it. Color is white. File, save all. File, save all. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to go to this one. You're working. Now I'm going to go to the box over here. Okay, so okay, this is the apps, this is the props. We are calling how to, we will see how to make the props. Okay, these are the box, these are the props I am going to implement it into box JSX. Okay, this component I am going to call it the props. So how to implement the props? Very simple. You have to call it as the keys props over here. Okay, this is like a parameter. Okay, in the function we are making as a parameter, same thing here as props also the parameter. You like a parameter, it look like a parameter. Okay, so here this parameter, how to get it over here? Here I'm going to get it here. Title also, you have to write it the brackets, you have to make it the brackets. You have to write it over here props. Here the props, this props dot, you have to write a title. After that you have to write a paragraph. You write some paragraph. You write props, open and close bracket, props dot color. That's it. Now let's file save all and bring back to the application. Here it's working. Here it's working. You can see here this is props. Now you have to understand it. Here you have to props here. If you have to declare another property or something like that, anything else you have to declare another one, which is a box one width, just like something like that. Color, box title, description equal something b or x d one, which is description one. Okay, so the same thing you have to write description 2 d2 something, description 3 4. Okay, now this is a props. So just stop people save all. Now let's back to over here. Now I'm going to go to get the another paragraph. This one should be the description. That's it. Description. That's it. Just file save all and bring back to the application and check it. Here this is a description because the height is not enough. That's why it worked like this. Okay, the box if you want to give the height as 200 100 at 200 pixel. Now let's see back here. Now it's okay. Okay, right? So I hope you get the color also. If you want to change the color, box color, front color, I'm going to change it as a white. Now you can check it, white color, save all, bring back to the application, it's white. Okay, so I hope you guys you understood the things in React. This is not a ordinary component, this is the React component. Let's see the what I did in a quick brief. So here first what I did here is we have created the app.jsx. We have to implement the props. We have to pass the props. So you have to implement these three things. We need these all the things, these attributes. We have to make it as a props. So title, color, and description. You have to make it as this box component. Okay, we already called the box component inside the app component. So the app is a main component. Okay, so here this you have to pass the props. Okay, we have to pass it look like this way. So this one we have to get into my box.jsx. We are using the inside the function we have to pass a props keyword. After that, inside the return function, inside the division tag, you have to get it one by one. Props.title, props.color, props.description. You get it one by one. Okay, this how you have to implement the props. Very simple. Okay, I hope you guys now you have a clear understand of props, how to pass the props in React. I will see in my next lecturing. Thank you.